everybody, and Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel, The Sassy Ginger. I am Talia, and I am the Sassy Ginger. So today I'm going through my Stitch Fix unboxing for January, but first I have to show you a few cool things. One, check out this awesome shirt. If anyone watches Stranger Things, then you know that this is the sweet shirt that, well, I don't remember the kid's name, but that the kid was wearing in the show, and my mom totally hooked me up and got this for me for Christmas. Reppin' Science Museum of Minnesota, which is also where I live. Not at the Science Museum, but in Minnesota. So that's pretty cool. Also, I want to show you this really cool new thing I got. This is called a Keep Cup, and it's actually part of this other subscription box that I got for Christmas. It's called the Pop Sugar Must-Have Box, and this came in it, as well as this guy, which is what I'm drinking out of it. It's like vitamins, kind of like an Airborne, but a vitamin version. And I'm drinking it in my Keep Cup, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's so nice and handy. And I did an unboxing video of the Pop Sugar subscription must-have box, so you guys should totally check that out. It's kind of a mix of like health and fitness and beauty, and I love it, so it's definitely worth checking out. Okay, so now let's get right into it. Stitch Fix. For those of you who don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's a personalized styling service. Every month, or at increments of your choosing, a personal stylist will pick out 5 pieces for you, generally 4 clothing pieces and 1 accessory. You can leave them as many notes and requests as you want, and then they send you the pieces. You can keep as many as you want, send the ones back that don't work for free, and you're good to go. So this is my January fix, and I think I was trying to remember what I requested. I know I wanted some jeans with like embellishments, because I've seen those a lot all over lately, like either embroidery or embellishments or something. And I think, what else did I want? I wanted some tennis shoes for the gym, just for training, not for like working out too hard, but just for training. And I might have requested a bodysuit, but I don't remember. So let's get right into it and see what we got. Here's my box. It's big, so I think they definitely did send me the shoes I wanted, which is exciting. Okay, as I always show you, it comes with this little guy. It says, oh, hello, and then inside, it is going to show you everything that is in your fix, as well as a note from your stylist. I don't look at that until later. This, it's so bright, I'm sorry, but this is where your price sheet will be. You also don't look at that until later. Look at that, yeah. And then this is the return bag. Okay. So, this is what we have. Let's open it and see what we have. All right, first we've got, ooh, okay, so it looks kind of like a crop top type deal. Although on me it probably wouldn't be a crop top, so I don't know if it's supposed to be. It's super, super, super soft. This is by Emery Park. Cal tie front knit top. That's what that guy looks like. And I'm pretty pumped to try that on. It's long sleeve, has a little tie in the front, comes low. It's like a crisscrossing detail in the front. So that's kind of really super awesome. I feel like this would be a really good top for going out, and I don't really do that, but I should. Yes. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, this is really soft. Okay, this is fabulous. Fabulous! Okay, this is a fabulous cardigan by Pink Clover. I don't know about this color on me, but it's insanely soft, and it's so hard to see in this little tiny video camera, but you can see it more when I try it on. Super soft, super warm. This is by Pink Clover Emanuela cardigan. I feel like I had something before with the name Emanuela from Stitch Fix. I don't know. But you guys, this is really, really soft. It feels really warm and significant. It has pockets. And I'm really, really pumped about this. Okay, on to the next thing. Okay, here's some pants. I did ask for pants. Studio Blue. These look tiny. Oh my goodness. Studio Blue. They look like skinny jeans. Ooh, look at the distressing. Oh, that's fun. Okay, Studio Blue. I think they're maybe, I wonder if these are high rise. Anyway, Studio Blue Bella Distress Skinny Jean. They feel like they have some stretch to them. So, yeah, they just look really small. But we'll try them on. Super cute. Okay, and then last pair, another ankle skinny. Okay, these are so cute. Like I said, I wanted something with embellishments. You guys, these are fab. Oh my, okay. Look at how cute. I'm really obsessed with these. These are really pretty. It's by 1822 Denim. I don't know that brand. Oh, I'm just reading about it. It's telling you how to wash it, I guess. But these are really pretty. And they're ankle skin. Oh, look it. They have that scissor hemline detailing. I don't have any jeans that have this yet, but they're super popular. And I guess I'll try them out. Something just fell, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so that is what this is. You guys, I'm really excited about these ones. They're very cute. Okay, and then it looks like I got my shoes. And like I said, I wanted tennis shoes for like training in the gym, but not hardcore working out. So we'll see what they came up with. Oh my gosh, these are fabulous. Am I saying the word fabulous a lot today? It's my word of the day, I guess. These are real cute. I wonder what brand this. Oh, Steve Madden. They look a little big for me, but these are really cute. I love the color, the army green. I'll try these on for you. It's not always easy to show shoes, but these are real cute, and I really like them. This is exactly what I was looking for, actually. So these are super, super cute. I'm saying cute and fabulous a lot today, and I would say sorry, but I'm not sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, I'll try the stuff on now. Okay, so here I'm wearing the Emery Park top and those Studio Blue jeans. I really like the way everything fits. I like the way everything looks, and the top is really cute. So now I am wearing that cardigan, super warm and cozy, and I also have those pearl jeans on, which I love. These are not the high-rise version though, and I realized that a little too late, so you can kind of see more than I want you to on my stomach, which is a little embarrassing, but it is what it is. Okay, hello. I have now tried everything on, and I have to say I'm really pleased with all of the pieces. I actually really like the way everything fits. The jeans are insanely comfortable. That top is really cute. What I like about it is that it highlights I don't want to say the best parts, but it highlights what it should and hides what I want it to hide. And I actually think I could even use that top at the gym when I'm teaching class, like a yoga class, with yoga pants or something. Otherwise, it'd be really cute going out. And I could talk about these pieces forever because I'm really, really excited about them. The shoes are way too big, unfortunately, so I didn't even show them to you because they didn't look right. So I'm going to see if I can get them in a different size, because if you keep all 5 pieces, you get 25% off your whole order, which is a really big discount, and that's one thing that's great about Stitch Fix. And customer service is super great too, so I'm not worried at all about that. So I will go through the prices with you quickly. This is not the fun part. So those pearl jeans, how fabulous. If I say fabulous one more time, you guys, I don't know. How great are those pearl jeans? Those are $54. It's actually really cheap for a pair of jeans, especially from Stitch Fix. That makes me question things. But they felt amazing, and they're super cute, so I'm totally keeping those. The Emery Park tie front top is $38, also super affordable, really soft. My only hesitation is that it is so soft that it's actually a little thin. And I'm a bit hesitant about, not hesitant isn't the right word, I guess I'm a little bit nervous about it maybe snagging or creating holes in that fabrication. But again, it's $38 and it's really cute, so I don't know. I don't think that's too bad. The cardigan is $58. I actually don't think that's bad either because it's super warm and it seems really versatile and it's so cozy. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could try it on. Super cozy. Great for the winters here, probably even like fall season too. And as long as the color doesn't wash me out too much, you guys are gonna have to let me know because I'm not always great at that type of stuff. It's like if I love something, I want it to work no matter what. So let me know if the color washes me out too much. Then we have the Studio Blue Distressed jeans, and those are $58 as well, also really affordable. I like those because they're high-rise. I don't have any high-rise jeans, so that would be great with that crop top style wrap thing shirt. Then the Steve Madden sneakers are $69, totally fine. I can deduct that for training anyway, and I just need to exchange those. So the total would be $277, but then if you keep all 5, it would be a 25% discount. So that would be awesome. Okay, well, I had a great time showing you guys my Stitch Fix as always. Oh, I was gonna show you one more thing. So for Christmas, we got from one of our friends a thing called Date Box Club. There you go. And I'll show it to you real quick. If you don't wanna, listen to this, you don't have to. But it's just something kind of different and unique, and so I thought that you guys might be interested in it. And I'm just going to go through it really, really quickly. So basically, each month they send you a box full of little items, and they tell you what to do with it for a date night. So this month, it had these items. It looks kind of silly, but so it started with this pig, which is really funny, and it's a prosperity pig. So basically what we're supposed to do is light this awesome candle, and it explains everything, like why this candle, and eat these champagne jelly beans. And then in here they have little cards, and what we're supposed to do is what are we supposed to do? La la la. Oh, goal deposit cards. Every question has 2 blanks on the back for answers. One for each of you. Fill them in together, chatting about your answers. When you finish a card, fold it up and deposit into your pig. And then, so you're just supposed to put in your goals into this pig throughout the year. And next year, or at the end of this year, we can look at it and see if we made those goals. And it comes with a Sharpie, which I think is kind of funny, like random. And then it also comes with this. And I was really confused about this, but this is actually a eco-friendly love lock, and it explains on here that they talk about in Europe, couples use a love lock to symbolize their unbreakable love. They write their initials on a mini padlock, attach it to a fence, and toss the key in the water. Our included love lock is a bit more eco-friendly and can be removed if necessary, but the thought is the same. So then we use the Sharpie marker, fill it out, and go ahead and lock it on somewhere. Yes. So that's a really quick rundown of the date night box. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Maybe I'll even film it as we go. I don't know. It could be boring, or it could be exciting. Let me know, actually. Let me know. Do you want me to film the night that we do this date night box thing, or do you just want me to tell you about it later, or do you just really not care? That's fine too. Anyway, this has been way too much talking, but I hope you enjoy it nonetheless. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you don't like it, you should just give it a thumbs up anyway. Link to subscribe to Stitch Fix will be below in the description, and please make sure you use that because then I get referral credits. And I'm not gonna lie, that would be really nice. Okay, anyway, stay happy, stay safe, stay sassy, and I will see you next month. Bye!